Hello and welcome back for another meatless recipe. Today I have something extremely easy, especially if you are just a beginner at eating more veggies, eating meatless, plant-based. This one here is for you. So let's get started. This meal here is going to be perfect for a weekday dinner, something you just want to throw together very quickly and you'll have plenty to enjoy afterwards. I have two medium-sized spaghetti squash here. You want to cut them in half long ways and then clear out all the seeds from the middle. Now I'll drizzle some olive oil on top and season with salt and pepper before placing in the oven. So these here say to heat, microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna put these in for about 2.5 minutes. Simple. You'll know your squash is done when the inside is fork tender. Now let them cool before handling. The sweet peas are perfectly steamed. Now I'll set aside, and keep in mind if you prefer these raw, that is completely okay. You don't need to steam them. I have my salad mix here, and I'm going to throw this into a frying pan with just a tiny bit of olive oil. And I'm just going to cook this down a little bit, not too much. I don't want to kill all the veggies in there. I just want them to have a nice bite to it. And I'm going to season a little bit with some rice vinegar and cocoa aminos. And this video is in no way sponsored by Trader Joe's. We just love shopping there. So now that this is perfectly cooked down, I'm going to add in my steamed sweet peas and give that a good mix before adding in my spaghetti squash. So this is the great part about it. Spaghetti squash does not taste like spaghetti at all, but it does have a spaghetti-like texture, and that's why it has its name, spaghetti squash. So shred that all apart and mix that in with your veggie stir fry. Give that a really good mix. Add in the seasoning or the sauce that your salad bag comes with. And there you have it. This is going to be so delicious. It is so simple. A plate full of veggies. And I just topped it off with the salad toppers that it came with. Spaghetti squash is a non-starchy vegetable that fits well into pretty much any meal plan. If you'd like to add some extra carbs to this meal, or you just want to stretch it out and have it last a little longer, you can always add real noodles to this. And I often will do that when cooking with spaghetti squash. I'll use half the amount of noodles that I usually do, and then use the spaghetti squash for the remainder of the noodles. So there you have it, one of the easiest meals, and don't be afraid to use pre-packaged veggies if it's going to make your day a little easier. Get those veggies in, have fun with it, mix it up, and enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe if you'd like more weekly meatless ideas, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.